Today I'll show you how you can properly schedule a Teams meeting, either from your Outlook or from Teams directly. Now, the people you invite can be members of a channel, it can be a group email address, individual people, or even external contacts. Sometimes you'll find it's easier to do it from Teams, and sometimes it's easier to set it up in Outlook. Let's take a look. Let's start with Outlook on the desktop and see how we can create a Teams meeting from here. So let's say I received this email from Kim. She wants me to set up a meeting with her and another consultant, and I want to keep the content of this email in our meeting because she has some good information here. So all I'm going to do is drag this email and drop it on my calendar here, and this is going to open up a meeting invite. I can adjust the time, give this a name, and delete any content that I don't need. Now, since this is a team meeting, all I need to do is select Teams meeting, and I get the meeting link automatically included in here. Now, I have the latest version of Outlook, so if you don't see it, run an update so that you get the latest version. Now, all you need to do is type in the address of the recipients. This part is the same as any Outlook invite that you've sent. So you can add groups here. You can also add external people. So in this case, we need to invite a consultant who's external. So I'm just going to type in their name and add them here. And that's it. At this point, all you need to do is click on send and they're going to get the invite. Now, if you need to share this link with anyone else that you don't want to send an email to, all you have to do is copy this hyperlink and send it directly to the people you want in that meeting. Now, anyone who's external who's going to join your meeting is someone that you need to approve into the meeting. So don't worry about people sharing your meeting links, because if there is anyone that's external to your organization is trying to attend that meeting, you're going to see that they're waiting in the lobby and you actually have to approve them so that they can join your meeting. Okay, so let's click on send. Now, if you don't want the team meeting to be based off an email, of course, you can go directly to your calendar and create a meeting from here. So you have two options. Before you click to create a meeting, you can just directly select New Teams Meeting and then adjust the time, add any other information you want to, and then send this. Or you can do it the other way around, where you can select the time that you want to have this meeting in, just double click, and when you're in this view here, then select Teams Meeting, and then just continue as you would before. Now, what if you're using Outlook on the web? So let's say you're traveling, you just log in from some computer to your Office 365 account and you want to send a team invite from here. All you have to do is go to the time you want to create that meeting. Let's just double click in here, enable Teams Meeting. That's it. Add your title like you would before, invite the attendees that you need, add any other information you want to have for that meeting, and then click on send. Now, if anyone goes to that meeting, so let's go back to Outlook. If I open this meeting, I can see the link for the team meeting in here. Now, let's take a look at another way of adding a Teams meeting, and that's directly from Teams. When you're in Teams, go to your calendar, and here you're going to see all your meetings. So everything is synced. So whatever changes you make to your calendar in Teams will be reflected in Outlook on desktop and also Outlook on the web. If you want to create a new meeting, just go and select a time that you want to have the meeting in, add the title, attendees. You can also add the email addresses of external people here, put in any other information you want, and then click on send. When you go back to this meeting, you're going to see the link is included there. So the person who's receiving this is going to see this link, and you will have it in your Outlook calendar on desktop and on the web as well. If you want to add any more information to this meeting, you can do that from here. So if you want to share some special files, just go to Files, click on Share, and either upload from your computer or select from OneDrive. And just like in Outlook, you have a scheduling assistant as well. So you can see whether everyone is available at the time you chose or not. Whenever you're ready to join the meeting, click on Join. In this case, I'm going to close it. And let me show you my Outlook on the desktop just so that we can see everything is synced from this view as well. So now when I go to this meeting that I created in Teams, I can see the link here and any other information that might be in here. Now, don't forget, whenever you're creating meetings in Outlook, you also have a scheduling assistant available. Just go to this tab here and check the availability of others. So that's how you can successfully schedule your Teams meetings. Once you have a meeting and you happen to be presenting, it's important to know how to properly share your screen. I cover everything you need to know about screen sharing in a separate video. Make sure you check that one out. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit that thumbs up. And if you aren't subscribed to this channel yet, consider subscribing before you leave. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.